Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Power on the earbuds and place them in pairing mode right away. Press and hold the main button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone and select the earbud name that appears on screen. Bluetooth 5.0 provides stable connections with a typical range of 10 meters in open space. If pairing fails, remove the device and try again after 10 seconds. Charge the case for 2 hours before first use and the earbuds for 1 hour. Learn the touch controls so you can manage music and calls without your phone. Double tap either earbud to play or pause audio while listening to music. Single tap answers incoming calls and triple tap ends or declines a call quickly. Hold the touch sensor for 2 seconds to activate your phone's voice assistant or to reject a call with a message. Use swipe gestures, when available, to adjust volume up or down in small increments. Enable call noise reduction in the companion app for clearer voice. Maintain earbuds regularly to extend lifespan and preserve sound quality over time. Clean mesh and ports weekly with a soft, dry cloth and a small 3.5mm brush for crevices. For water resistance, check the IPX4 rating and avoid submersion even if splashes are okay. Reset the earbuds by holding both buttons for 10 seconds to resolve persistent connection or audio glitches. Calibrate battery health by avoiding full 0% drains and keep charge between 20% and 80% when possible. Install firmware updates via the manufacturer app to improve stability and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.